First they saw me, now they want me.
Gassing the fuck out of it. I'm out here in my slow ass car. I'm going.
We have another performance match today. Me and Sensing are out here. It is 2:40 in the morning. We're putting the carbon fiber trunk on, and we're not sorry about it, guys. This shit about to look fire. Did you tie in it?
Yeah, kind of.
Like hella?
Nah, just enough.
Okay, man, I got you. You can close it, I guess.
Fuck, nice fit.
Don't slam it, though.
Oh no, that's just
Hella nervous. Dude, this thing goes crazy. His other trunk had a lip too, as you guys remember. You good?
Am I good on that side?
Yeah. What are you hitting? You hitting something?
Yeah.
Okay. You hitting something? It doesn't go down, or are you holding it?
Oh, it's the fucking. Here, bring up the slowly. It's this fucking thing.
It's fucking Treyway. Which fucking
It's
thing?
this.
Bro, you assembled it backwards.
Did I? Oh fuck! I should. Oh fucking.
Cause it was off when we went. All right, let's go. We thought it was right when we put it on. All right, relax, guys. Everything fit. Fucking crazy on this. All good. We didn't do shit. No trimming, no nothing. Oh, this is perfect. This side's perfect.
This side's a little.
Oh.
How is it good on that side?
Yeah, that's good.
I mean,
We can't shift it on this, because E36 you can. Not at all.
We can try.
Yeah, let's try a little. Bro, this thing is like something else. This goes hard, bro. So aggressive.
Come outside. Yeah, I put the trunk on.
His sister's up. That's sick.
I'm fucking happy with this thing.
Dude, that looks so aggressive. Seeing this in the street rolling around, you would be like, fuck.
This is fucking.
315, we just
It's 315?
drilled these. Yeah, bro. So these went in. That's the only thing we did though, right? And
Yep.
it just needed to be
That's it.
laid.
Everything else was pretty bolt
Solid.
up.
Yeah,
Fucking
bro.
hell.
This was the best aftermarket piece I ever installed. Everything was just like right there to do. Stopper, right?
What?
We still gonna do the stopper? Why? It doesn't close? Oh, these probably sit too high.
It might.
Okay, you don't need to drill a hole. Just kidding. You don't really need to drill a hole. Carbon fiber. It is a little hard to go down, huh? So since it's carbon fiber and it's a little light, so the OEM trunk was a little heavier. So when it goes up, it would go up slower. Now it's light and just shoots up. So that shit might launch off your car.
If it goes up too fast.
Yeah.
Alright.
Launch off your car. So we need to.
I think we'd have to take off this little, whatever this is. Oh shit.
take it off.
Yeah, whatever this is, you have to take off to loosen the pressure when it goes up.
Acts like a spring kind
Yeah.
of. So we're gonna do that. I did take one of those bars out. The other one went here and here. You just push it out from here to out towards that side, and just the whole thing comes completely out. But the trunk was like halfway down, right?
Yeah, you put the trunk halfway down and just kind of pry it right out.
Someone else does that, and you do this.
I don't have the clip for that.
That's the clip I gave you.
Oh, I put it down here.
Then fuck that one then. So that's what it's done. So now it goes up slower.
That's it, yeah?
Yeah, close it real quick. I wanted to see. I want to see it closing nicely instead of struggling.
I just have to get used to it.
Yeah, you just don't want to slam it because
Instead of shooting up, it goes.
Dude, that's fuck yes.
I'm happy.
Yeah. Fuck you. We done did it.
That's a wrap. Let's go to bed. Fuck, I'm tired.
Yeah. We out. Bye guys.